Hello everyone, my name is Akash Dikshit. Today is 21 September 2021. Today we discuss about the variable in Java. Firstly, what is a variable? The variable is a container which can hold a value while the program is executed. A variable is always assigned with the data types. There are two data types in Java. These are primitive data type and non-primitive data type. The variable is a name of the memory location. It is a combination of vary plus able. It means that it can be changed the value. It means value can be changed. There are three types of variables in Java programming. First is local variable, instant variable, and a static variable. The local variable which can be declared inside the loop of the method is called as local variable. The local variable can be used only one method and other method, but in class are not aware that the variable exists. A local variable can be defined with the local variable cannot be defined with the static keyword. Second is instant variable, a variable which can declare inside the class but outside the body of the method is called as instant variable. Instant variable, it not be declare as a static. It is called as instant variable because the instant variable value is instant specify. It cannot be shared with any other instant variable. Third one is static variable. The variable is declared as a static is called a static variable. The static variable we can use in a program at the top side. And first, the static variable can be only one copy can be use the whole program of the instant variable. The static instant is the memory location where the inside in static variable inside all the variables can be executed, or which whole program can be used on the public static method.